In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Timesheet in Hubstaff. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your timesheet has been sent for approval, with a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. First, head to the Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're signed in, the dashboard is your home base. You'll see an overview of activity and navigation options along the left or top, depending on your layout. We're going to focus on the section that manages track time, so keep an eye out for the timesheets area in the main menu. Next, click on Timesheets. This is where your recorded hours live. You can usually view them by day or by week, and you'll see totals for each date within the selected range. Take a brief moment here to scan your entries. Make sure you're looking at the correct pay period or date range, and verify that your time looks accurate. It's much easier to spot small gaps or overlaps now than after submission. If your organization uses projects or tasks, confirm that your hours are assigned correctly so approvals and payroll line up as expected. Then go to Approvals. The Approvals view brings everything together for the period you're submitting. You'll see the status of your timesheets and whether anything is ready to send. If there's a date selector or filter, set it to the exact period your team requires, such as the current week or the end of the pay cycle. This helps you avoid submitting the wrong range or missing a day. If anything is incomplete, take a moment to resolve it before moving forward so your manager doesn't have to reject and send it back. Now, find your timesheet in the list, select it, open the action menu, and choose Submit. Hubstaff will process your submission and display a confirmation message in the upper right corner indicating that your timesheet has been submitted. That confirmation is your green light that everything went through. If you don't see the option to submit, the period may be locked or you may be viewing the wrong date range. In that case, double check the filters or reach out to your admin if the period needs to be opened. That's it. After submission, your timesheet status should reflect that it's pending approval. Keep an eye out for any follow-up from your approver and make it a habit to submit before your team's deadline to avoid delays in payroll. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to submit your timesheet in Hubstaff with confidence.